We stand at the cusp of a new era, an era powered by artificial intelligence. Among the many advancements, DeepSeek AI stands out. It's not just another algorithm, it's a novel approach to understanding our world. DeepSeek AI is designed to learn like humans do, but at an accelerated pace. Imagine a world where complex problems find solutions faster than ever before. This is the promise of DeepSeek AI. It's about harnessing the power of data. It's about using that power to drive progress in every field imaginable. At its core, DeepSeek AI is about recognizing patterns, just like our brains do. But DeepSeek AI does this with vast amounts of data. It uses a process called deep learning. This means it learns by example from millions of data points. Think of it like this. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them pictures. You describe its features. DeepSeek AI learns similarly, but instead of pictures, it analyzes data. Lots and lots of data. This allows it to find connections that humans might miss. This ability to see hidden patterns is what makes DeepSeek AI so powerful. It can analyze complex systems like financial markets, weather patterns, even our own DNA. The potential applications of DeepSeek AI are vast. In healthcare, it's being used to diagnose diseases earlier. It can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy. This helps doctors provide better treatment. DeepSeek AI is also revolutionizing transportation. Self-driving cars rely on its ability to process information in real time. This technology has the potential to make our roads safer. It can also optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion, but it doesn't stop there. From personalized education to sustainable agriculture, DeepSeek AI is making its mark. It's helping us understand climate change and develop renewable energy sources. The possibilities are truly limitless. Section 4. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Code Ethics in the Age of AI. As we embrace the power of AI, we must also proceed with caution. This is where ancient wisdom comes in. African philosophy, for instance, emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things. It stresses the importance of community and ethical conduct. These principles are more relevant than ever in the age of AI. We must ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. It shouldn't widen existing inequalities. We must use it responsibly and ethically. This means having open discussions about the implications of AI. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for its development and use. We must ensure that AI remains a tool for good, a tool that uplifts and empowers, rather than divides and controls. Section 5. DeepSeek AI, a glimpse into the future. The future of DeepSeek AI is bright. As the technology continues to evolve, its impact on our lives will only grow. We can expect even more groundbreaking applications in healthcare, education, and countless other fields. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. From eradicating diseases to achieving world peace, DeepSeek AI could be the key. It has the potential to unlock a future filled with possibilities. But realizing this potential requires a collaborative effort. Scientists, policymakers, and the public must work together. We must harness the power of DeepSeek AI responsibly. If we do, the future will be brighter than we can even imagine.